In an electric circuit drawn below, the amount of charge stored in the capacitor is. Okay, तो अगर ध्यान से देखा जाए, here also the time is not stated. ठीक है, कितने time, these all things are not stated. So therefore we will assume t to be infinity. Okay, so so the current graph of the capacitor in an RC circuit, it goes like this. So therefore I at infinity becomes 0, and Q graph goes like this. So therefore Q at infinity is actually Q naught, which is a constant value. Okay, so now what we have to do is energy amount of charge stored in the capacitor. Okay, so therefore at t equals infinity, there is no current which is passing through the capacitor, so it behaves as if as an open circuit. Now what happens? So when the current will be flowing, current will flow like this, no current will go here, current goes like this. Okay, so if you see here very clearly that the current which is flowing through this 10 volt battery, it goes through the 6 ohm and the 4 ohm resistance. So therefore the current which flows is 10 volts divided by, and this 6 and 4 become in series, so therefore 10 divided by 10 ohms, which is 1 ampere. Now here the resistance given is 6 ohms, so therefore the potential difference across this 6 ohm resistor, okay, this is the potential difference. Okay, if we have V1 and we have V2, so therefore V1 minus V2 is equal to 1 ohm into 6 ohm, so therefore 1 ampere into 6 ohm, therefore 6 volts. And now that is the same, because these both are connected by wire, so therefore this is the same potential difference between C and R2. Now here there is no current flowing through R2. Okay, so therefore potential drop across R2 is 0. Okay, so it has become something like this. So this is C and this is R2, and V1 minus V2 is 6 volts. Okay, so now there is no current flowing here, so therefore potential drop across R2 is 0, so therefore both sides the potential will be same. So therefore if you see, the capacitor is connected like this. Okay, capacitor is now connected like this, and therefore it is having a potential difference of 6 volts across its ends. Now we have to be very simply, we have to do what we have to do. The charge stored in the capacitor, so therefore Q becomes C into V, which is 10 microfarads into volt, which is 6 volts, so this becomes 60 microcoulomb. Okay, so therefore the charge stored in the capacitor is 60 microcoulomb, so 60 is the answer.